All right. Hey, everybody. It's Tony with the Tax Clinic. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick little sales dashboard that we did for one of our clients here. So obviously, a lot of this data has been changed due to privacy for the client. So a lot of this stuff is not real customers, but you get the idea. So right now I have it set up to show January 2024 through February. I'm going to change it to just show the entire year. Um, okay, so here we have a quick little scorecard. So here we have the average sales, best month, job and quotes throughout the year. And then we also have the total sales from each different service pipeline. We have all the months here broken down. We have a cool chart here that shows us that obviously the installations was the biggest breadwinner throughout the year. Here we have a line chart that tells us how we did throughout the year for every month. Obviously, June being the highest month at 160. Here we have the biggest clients for the year with uh, Olivia Reynolds here being the top client at 144,000 for the year. We have the smallest client at 152, Urban Roots Cafe. Obviously, nothing is due because this is from last year, so hopefully everybody has paid up since then. So this is a good sign. Then we have the total sales throughout the year here, total number of jobs, number of customers. So what this tells you here is that a lot of the customers are returning customers, or a lot of the jobs are from returning customers. So we have 25 total clients, and we have total of 124 jobs from these different customers here. And this is the breakdown of all the customers and all the revenue generated from each. Now, let's move this along a little bit so we can uh, see actual current data. So here we see that um, now that we're looking at as of to date, we have some customers that owe us money here. Total due $9,000, and it's broken down here. So this is where the data is being pulled from. Here's where you'll fill in all the different jobs that you're doing throughout the day, throughout the week. You'll put it in here. You'll put in the quote amount, sell amount. I'll show you how this whole thing works. But based on if they were paid or not, if it's open, this all auto populates over here, so you can easily keep track. And at a quick snapshot, see who owes you money and all that good stuff. So let me know if this is something that that'll help you out. We can customize it to your liking. This is pretty. This was ideally for a home improvement company that does maintenance, repairs, and installations. So we can customize it for any type of company. It'll just require us to sit down, understand what the business does, understand what your main key performance indicators are, your KPIs. What do you want to know? What's important for you to know about your business to, keep the business going? So reach out if you have any questions. Happy to help.